Hello guys, you're welcome to Structures Pro, the home of software. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at copy paste features. There are a lot of things to explore. It sounds very simple, but there are a lot of things to learn in copy paste. So I will be taking my time to show you all the tricks involved in copy paste and all the different types of copy paste you can use in your work. So I already have a table here. The table have the under days. I have Monday to Sunday. I have unit sold, item sold. I have what is remaining in store and average price. I have revenue. So inside this revenue, I've also put up small formula multiplying the unit sold and the average price. So I'm going to be performing the first copy paste. So I will just highlight this table and right click. Once you right click, you're going to see copy here. You can as well do Ctrl C. It's the same thing. Then I'm going to be coming to this point, and I'll right click again. Okay, so I'm going to use this first one, which is my basic copy option, paste option, sorry. So now, but the issue with this particular paste option is that I will have to modify some cells. But even though it's not going to give us a lot of issues, it's not a big deal to modify these cells. So you just come over to the column line in between the cell that you're modifying, and double click on it, so it modifies all. Then the alternative way, which is the shortcut, is to highlight everything. When you highlight everything, you can just double click on any of the in between line, so you get them modified at the same time. So I will delete this one so we can explore other things. So I'll hit delete on my keyboard. Sorry. Okay, let me just do Ctrl Z. Okay, so then I will copy again. Let me restore the border line. Good. So right click and select copy, then I will right click again. So let's explore all this. So this is the basic copy that we have. So this one is also the value. It's if you need to format the table, so you can choose this one. So as you can see, it has already formatted the table for us in a way. The next one is okay, formula is not going to change anything. Then we have the transpose. Good. This one is another beautiful one. So let me just select this transpose. Okay, so this transpose, see what it has done. So let me quickly modify all. Double click anywhere, so you can see all the values. So what it has done is, my days of the week is now horizontally aligned, while my unit sold and in-store average price revenue are vertically aligned. So that is, it transposes the value for me. Okay, so I can as well let me undo. Okay, then let me copy again. Can use Ctrl C, then I'll select where I want to paste, right click, okay. So this one is it copies only the table. It has already formatted the table for us. You can see the name is formatting. It's just like this other the other one, that's formulas. Okay, so that's it. So the other one is link, paste link. So I'm going to use a different sheet to experiment this one. so that you'll be able to appreciate the paste link. So okay, now I'll create a new sheet here. Then I'll come here again. I'll copy this this uh this table, Ctrl C. Okay, then I'll right click, Ctrl C, sorry, Ctrl C. Then I'll come to this the new sheet. Right click on the new sheet. Okay, okay, I'll select paste link. So once that is done, okay, you can anyway you can still format the table so to look like this, So now what happens is, okay, let me these ones are supposed to be in dollars. Good. So now what happens is, if I go and change under Sunday, now if I go and change something, just take note of what is going to happen. I'm going to put unit is sold. Let me put 50 here. So this value is going to increase. Okay, that's $50,000. So if you come to this sheet, it has already taken the value. So whatever you modify here will take effect in this sheet. That's copy link. So the two tables are linked together. They are just like one, so they are linked together. Okay, let me show you more options. So when you select again and copy, Ctrl C. Okay, so we can come here under this paste and click this drop down arrow, so it reveals to us the more options. But before then, let's highlight somewhere where we can paste. Then we can come here and select options. So this is the normal page, this is the formula we've shown before, this is the number formatting, this one is keep source formatting. Okay, so these are different pasting options that you can explore. This one is keep source column width, so you don't need to modify the width anymore. So you just copy it, keep the source column width, and you don't need to modify anything at all. This one is the transpose. I've shown you the transpose. So you have other options too, the one that formats table and shows the values, the numbering formatting. This one is okay. So a lot of things. So this one is a paste link, the one I just showed you, so this is another one. Okay, this one paste it like a picture, so it now becomes a picture. Okay, so if I choose this one now, this is looking like a picture that you can even drag. Okay, it's a paste option. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can do, so as I have changed this thing, it's not linked together, so just a picture, a dead picture. It doesn't it's not live. Okay, so that is how you can do more. You can get this is where you can get more paste options. Okay, so another thing I would do is I'm going to come to this place. Let me delete this table. Let me delete this table. Okay, let me remove the borders. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C. Then I'll bring it here. Ctrl V. That gives me the normal paste option. So I'll select all and double click here. So it aligns everything for me. So I'm going to delete this column. Let me delete this column. Okay, delete sheet column. Okay, so assuming I don't have it at all, so I'm going to change some of these values. I want to experiment something. Okay, just want to show you something quickly. Okay, So my arithmetic operation has been deleted, so I can't find, I can't get the prices again, the revenues again. So I can come here and copy the revenues, so what I have here is unit sold multiplied by the average price. So but this formula, assuming that's exactly what I want to achieve at the other end, so I will now come and copy this one. So I will copy from revenue to this point. I will just hit Ctrl C, or you right click and select copy. So I'll come to the second sheet, select this place, and right click, or you click on Ctrl V. See, so all the formula has been copied over. You see the revenue, this has been copied over. So if you double click on each formula, you see this times this. So it is a very wonderful tool. So me, I don't have to start multiplying or start adding the arithmetic operations on this sheet. So the next thing I want to show you is how I can copy one item to 3 or more different sheets at the same time. So I will simply create more sheets. Let me create more sheets. Let me just create 3. So these sheets are empty. Okay, so I will still copy our source table. I will press Ctrl C. Okay, then I will select the first sheet, then hold down the shift key to select the rest of them. Okay, and I'll use the normal copy paste Ctrl V. Okay, so I will if you look at if you check the sheet 4, you will see that is pasted exactly at the same place. Okay, if you look at sheet 5, the same thing. So 3 of them are the same. So I can select this all sheets, then double click here to format the table for me. Okay, so you see it's even affecting all the other table because they are still highlighted until I deselect them. Yes, so now it's deselected. So this is another way. Instead of pasting one after the other, you can just select all and paste at once. The last thing I would like to show you is copy special. So copy special is a wonderful tool as well that I would like you to leverage in your work. So it helps you to achieve what your aim quickly. So now assuming I have price lists here, $10, $13, $14, $15, and as the case may be, and I want to increase this amount by this one. I want to add this to this to increase it by adding $3, or I want to increase it by percentage. Okay, what is here is actually 100%, but I want to increase it by 108, adding 8%, 10%, 5% to it. So what I will simply do is I will copy this original price, Ctrl C. Okay, then I'll select this first cell and head to this place to click on the drop down arrow. So I'll select paste special. So if you right click, you also see paste special. So I'll click on it. So in this case I want to add these values to these values. I'll click on add, then I'll click on okay. So if you look at this one has become $13. This one is 15, so it has added. So now the second one is I'll still by percentage. It will also work the same way. It will increase this value by 8%, this other one by 10%, like just like that. So I will select this, then I also copy, then click on this first cell, then come here or right click on paste special all. Yes, then in this case It's going to be a multiplication. It's going to be a multiplication. So I'll click on this multiplication, then I'll click OK. So it has increased by 8%, this one, just like that. So these are very, very powerful tool. So this is just what all you can do with copy and different types of copy. So I hope this video helps you. So if you have learned something, just click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, share this video and stick around, because I'll be posting a lot of informative videos. You will, each time you come here, there must be something you can learn. Thank you very much, and see you next time.